KATC Weather Lab. Here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, a little bit of a tricky forecast as we continue to see a little bit of a frontal boundary that is pushed through the region, and it's going to give us meteorologists and outdoor folks some fits more than likely before the weekend is done. With the model just changing just before airtime, we're going to show you that in just a bit. But the bottom line, you can see this moisture conduit across the area. This is upper level winds pushing a frontal boundary down along the coast. Now the question is, where will the thunderstorms manifest associated with that frontal boundary? Today was mostly offshore after morning showers, but the latest model run kind of changing things around. We'll try to decipher it all coming up in just a bit. First off, though, as we go to the radar satellite composite, you can see not much shower activity going on with that frontal boundary that's parked along the coast close to home and over southeast Louisiana. But we zoom on in and we are picking up on some shower activity in St. Mary Parish, and this is where we're going to see the rain chances, if any, overnight tonight. Coastal St. Mary back through Vermilion and Cameron, but right now just in St. Mary, a shower moving through the Franklin area east of Sherrington, and this activity will continue to push generally off to the east-northeast. So slight rain chances tonight, mainly coastal parishes. And as we look at the enhanced satellite imagery, you can see all the storms offshore earlier today. And I was just noticing this. You go over into North and South Carolina, look at the storms this evening in areas that don't need any more rain. In fact, in South Carolina, a lot of the rivers have not crested yet. That's not going to happen until Friday or Saturday, and that's 2 weeks after Florence made landfall over there. So got a feel for our friends in the Carolinas. Meanwhile, elsewhere in the tropics, got a good-looking hurricane out here in the Pacific. This is Hurricane Rosa, and it looks to be getting stronger on the latest couple of satellite images. So this is a Category 3, maybe going Category 4. Eventually, this loops to the north and could deliver rain, but not in a hurricane form as we go into early next week. Meanwhile, the rest of the tropics got a couple of spots. One system that Hurricane Center doesn't think is going to develop, post-tropical cyclone Leslie, 90% chance of developing into a subtropical storm, maybe eventually a tropical storm. Big system out here, but it's just going to sit and spin for days. And then we have Tropical Storm KIRK, whose days are numbered once again, up and down with this KIRK. Lots of upper level shear kind of knocking this system really off its kilter right here. The center of circulation is here, but most of the convection off to the east, but some trying to build around the center this evening. 50-mile-per-hour winds, but the latest National Hurricane Center forecast dissipates this system to an area of low pressure or even a tropical wave by Saturday. After that, the remnant moisture could move partially to the west, west-southwest towards Central America, maybe up through Hispaniola, but we don't think it's going to be a concern for the Gulf of Mexico, but we keep an eye on everything this time of year. So here we go. Fasten your seatbelts. There's that frontal boundary for tomorrow morning. I think it's dry most of the day tomorrow. If we see showers the afternoon, but I'm going 30% on the rain chances. But this latest model run after lunchtime tomorrow, really hitting the showers and storms tomorrow afternoon. So we're going to discount the model because recent model runs were not showing this, but the bottom line, be prepared for rain just in case once again tomorrow afternoon and evening. And I think Saturday is the day that we actually see a better scattering of showers and storms across the area, and that's going to continue into Sunday as well as we look at the European model and then we move it on out. It should get a little bit drier come the middle part of next week as high pressure tries to bank in from the north and east. Maybe a front down the line. Check out what I posted on Facebook and Twitter earlier today. So temperatures dropping down to near 70 tonight in Lafayette, mid to upper 60s as you go farther to the north. So feeling a little bit better out there and not too bad tomorrow, low to mid 80s depending on those rain chances once again. But I'm going to go, we'll stick with the 30% rain chance and blame Daniel Phillips if it all goes wrong tomorrow. And then temperatures Saturday morning a little bit milder, and Saturday afternoon low to mid 80s. I think a better chance of storms for sure Saturday and Sunday. So a quiet night for most of us. Slight rain chances along the coast at 20% for tonight. 70, 71 the low tomorrow. We'll get up into the lower to mid 80s. If I could get to the graphics to advance here, they've been slow to move. 83, 84 the high for tomorrow. And then rain chances back up 50, 60% Saturday, Sunday, mostly afternoons. Then they drop back down. Summer temperatures return and maybe an October surprise come the weekend after this one, but we'll wait and see.
Maybe. There better be.
Yeah, there better be a surprise at
somewhere
some point in this coming month. Yes.
All right. Thanks, Rob.